students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to today's class. Today we will learn a new lesson in EVS, lesson number 11, our environment. Our environment. What is environment? What is environment? Students, look around. What do you see? What do you see? We see that we are surrounded by things, people, etc. Okay. All these together make our environment. Okay. We see that we are surrounded by things, people, etc. All these together make our environment. Okay. Now, some things are natural and some are man-made. Okay. Man-made things like car, plastic, etc. have made our life easy. Okay. Made our life easy. But you know students, they make our environment dirty. They make our environment dirty. Okay. When our environment becomes dirty, we call it pollution. Now, what is pollution? Release of harmful things into the environment is called pollution. Once again, what is pollution? Release of harmful things into the environment is called pollution. Okay. Now, students, how is this pollution caused? How is this pollution caused? The pollution is caused by human actions. Okay. The pollution is caused by human actions. Okay. Now, what is human actions? What is human actions? Examples like burning of plastic, throwing waste in land and in water. Okay. Smoke from factories and vehicles. Okay, are some of the human actions that cause pollution. Once again, what is human actions? Example like burning of plastic, throwing waste in land and in water. Okay, smoke from factories and vehicles. Okay, are some of the human actions that cause pollution. Okay. Now, there are different types of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Okay. Air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Okay. Today we will learn about air pollution. Okay. Now, what is air pollution? Making the air around us impure or dirty is called air pollution. Once again, what is air pollution? Making the air around us impure or dirty is called air pollution. Okay, understood children? Okay. Now, what causes air pollution? Burning of leaves, paper, okay, plastic, etc. Release smoke into the environment. Okay, once again, burning of leaves, paper, plastic, etc. Okay, release smoke into the environment. Okay, also smoke from industries and motor vehicles are released into the environment. Okay. Now, this smoke mixes with the air and makes it impure or dirty. Okay. This smoke mixes with the air and makes it impure or dirty. Okay. Now, students, You know, air pollution harms our body. Air pollution harms our body. Okay. Air pollution causes coughing, breathing problem, okay, irritation of the eyes and many serious illness. Okay. Once again, air pollution harms our body. Okay. Air pollution causes coughing, breathing problem, irritation of the eyes and many serious illness. Okay. Understood, children? Once again, please look at the board. Environment. What is environment? We see that we are surrounded by things, people, etc. Okay. All these together make our environment. Okay. Now, pollution. What is pollution? Release of harmful things into the environment is called pollution. Once again, what is pollution? Release of harmful things into the environment is called pollution. Okay. Next, the pollution is caused by human actions. Now, what is human action? Examples like burning of plastic, throwing waste in land and in water. Okay. Smoke from factories and vehicles are some of the human actions that cause pollution. Okay. There are different types of pollution. There are different types of pollution. Okay. Air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Once again, air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Now, air pollution. What is air pollution? Making the air around us impure or dirty is called air pollution. Okay. Next, what causes air pollution? What causes air pollution? Burning of leaves, paper, plastic, etc. Release smoke into the environment. Okay. Also, smoke from industries and motor vehicles. Motor vehicles are released into the environment. Okay. Next, air pollution harms our body. Air pollution harms our body. Air pollution causes coughing, breathing problems. Okay, breathing problems, irritation of the eyes and many